China's secret moon base has long been whispered about in the shadows of space exploration, but recent revelations suggest it might be far more advanced and far more strategic than anyone imagined. Imagine a hidden outpost, nestled in the lunar shadows, where cutting-edge technology and military ambitions converge. This base isn't just a scientific outpost, it could be a game-changer in the future of space warfare, shifting the balance of power beyond Earth. The idea that a remote facility on the moon could influence global security might sound like science fiction, yet the pieces are falling into place faster than we expected. What if this secret base holds weapons or surveillance systems that could monitor or even control space traffic and Earth's orbit? In this video, we'll explore the evidence behind China's lunar ambitions, uncover the potential military implications, and imagine how this could redefine the nature of conflict in the final frontier. For decades, the moon has been humanity's closest neighbor in space, a silent, cratered world that has fascinated us since ancient times. It's not just a glowing orb in the night sky. The moon has served as a stepping stone for our exploration of the cosmos. Orbiting about 384,000 kilometers from Earth, it's a rocky satellite, roughly 1/4 the size of our planet, with a surface marked by deep craters, vast plains, and towering mountains. Throughout history, the moon has been a symbol of mystery and discovery, inspiring myths and scientific breakthroughs alike. But now it's taking on a new role, one far beyond our initial dreams. Recently, radar and satellite images captured by international space agencies have revealed unusual structures and activity in the moon's South Pole region, where China's Chang'e missions have landed and established their foothold. What started as simple scientific research stations appear to be evolving into something far more complex. Unexplained energy readings, strange communication signals, and shifts in thermal patterns have caught the attention of experts worldwide. These aren't just signs of a typical lunar base. They suggest an unprecedented level of technological advancement and possibly even a strategic military presence. This discovery has stirred memories of the Cold War-era space race, but with a 21st-century twist. For the first time, we might be witnessing the dawn of a new era where space isn't just for science and exploration, but also for defense and control. The moon, once a symbol of peaceful discovery, could now become a contested ground in humanity's future. This hidden base could rewrite everything we thought we knew about our nearest cosmic companion. The idea of a secret moon base might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but the science behind what's happening there is very real, and it's rooted in some of the most advanced technology humanity has ever developed. To understand why this base could change the future of space warfare, we first need to look at the tools and science behind its discovery and operation. At its core, the base relies on energy sources and technologies that push the boundaries of what we thought possible on the moon. For example, recent data suggests the use of nuclear fusion reactors, similar in principle to the processes powering our sun. Fusion is the merging of light atomic nuclei, like hydrogen, to form heavier elements, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the process. Think of it as the ultimate power plant, where tiny particles smash together at incredible speeds, unleashing a brilliant burst of power. This kind of energy is incredibly efficient and could provide a nearly limitless power supply for the base's operations, from running communication arrays to powering advanced weaponry. Scientists monitoring these developments rely on a network of space-based observatories and earthbound detectors. Instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope provide detailed images of the lunar surface, while neutrino detectors, devices designed to catch tiny, nearly invisible particles produced by nuclear reactions, offer clues about fusion activity beneath the surface. Gravitational wave observatories, which detect ripples in space-time caused by massive cosmic events, help track disturbances that might indicate large-scale energy use or structural changes. What makes this especially alarming is that some of The readings suggest the base could be preparing for rapid deployment or even offensive capabilities. Just as stars undergo life cycles that end in spectacular explosions, this lunar facility's unusual energy patterns hint that it might be gearing up for something monumental. The fusion reactors powering it could allow for quick bursts of energy to launch space defense systems or even weaponized satellites. In short, what we're seeing isn't just a remote research station. It's a highly advanced, possibly militarized outpost that uses cutting-edge science to assert control over space. This behavior could mean the balance of power in our solar system is on the brink of a dramatic shift, one that might rewrite the rules of space warfare forever. Although the exact timeline of China's secret moon base reaching its full strategic potential remains uncertain, experts believe we are on the cusp of a major shift, one that could unfold within the next few years or decades. Unlike distant cosmic events that take millions or even billions of years to reach us, this is happening right here in our own celestial neighborhood. Still, just as astronomers remind us that the light from distant stars shows us what happened long ago, our observations of lunar activity are nearly real-time, meaning we're witnessing events almost as they happen. Some signals detected might even suggest that certain developments have already taken place, hidden from public view until now. This raises the possibility that the base is already operational and that its influence on space security is quietly growing. The consequences could be enormous, from surveillance capabilities that track satellites and spacecraft in Earth's orbit to weapon systems poised to defend or control key positions. Visually, if the base were ever to reveal its power openly, the spectacle could be breathtaking. Imagine a glow brighter than any man-made light seen from Earth, perhaps shining as brilliantly as a full moon and visible even during the day. Such a display would be impossible to ignore, a clear sign that humanity's presence on the moon has entered a bold new chapter, one where the stakes extend beyond exploration to the very future of warfare among the stars. As we watch this story unfold, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the changes that this lunar secret might bring? The countdown has begun, and the future of space conflict could be closer than we think. Imagine stepping outside one evening and looking up to see the moon transformed before your very eyes. A sudden, brilliant flare bursting across its surface, lighting up the night sky like a second sun. The explosion, if it were to happen, wouldn't just be a distant flash. It would shine with a brightness so intense it could rival the full moon itself, casting sharp shadows on the ground below. For hours, this radiant glow would ripple across the sky, visible not only from Earth's night side but even faintly during the day, turning the familiar lunar glow into a breathtaking, almost otherworldly spectacle. The blast's light would dance and shimmer, spreading across continents and oceans, a cosmic beacon that no one could ignore. People from every corner of the globe would witness this rare event, a moment where science, politics, and humanity's destiny collide. It's not just a dazzling show, it's a turning point, a celestial event that would redefine our relationship with space and each other. This wouldn't be like any meteor shower or lunar eclipse we've seen before. It would carry the weight of a civilization's hopes and fears, a reminder of how far we've come and how fragile our peace in the cosmos truly is. The emotional impact would be profound, stirring awe and unease in equal measure as we confront the reality that space is no longer a quiet frontier, but a new battlefield where the future of humanity will be decided. Beyond the immediate shock and spectacle, this event holds incredible scientific significance that could reshape our understanding of cosmic processes. Explosions of this magnitude, whether from stars or powerful human-made reactions, are nature's way of forging the universe's heaviest elements, like gold, platinum, and uranium. These precious materials don't just appear out of nowhere. They're born in the heart of massive stars or violent cosmic events, scattered across space in a process scientists call cosmic recycling. When a star like Antares or VY Canis Majoris reaches the end of its life, it unleashes an explosive finale that sends these heavy elements hurtling into the cosmos. Over billions of years, that material finds its way into new stars, planets, and even living beings. In fact, every atom of gold in your jewelry, every bit of uranium powering reactors on Earth was created in such stellar cataclysms. The Moon's secret base, with its advanced fusion and energy technologies, might offer a unique glimpse into this elemental creation on a smaller scale, blending human innovation with the raw power of the cosmos. This connection reminds us that we are deeply tied to the universe, made of the same stuff as stars that lived and died long before us. By studying these explosive events up close, scientists hope to unlock secrets about the origins of matter and the very building blocks of life itself. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring realization that through these cosmic cycles, we're part of a vast, ongoing story written in the stars. While the idea of a powerful explosion on the Moon might sound alarming, it's important to reassure ourselves that Earth is safe from any real harm. Unlike distant supernovae that can send dangerous radiation across space, this event is happening so close that scientists can monitor it carefully and predict its effects. Any energetic bursts reaching Earth would be harmless, mostly causing beautiful natural phenomena like intensified auroras, those shimmering lights in the sky, and slight increases in atmospheric ionization that won't affect our daily lives. Thanks to advanced neutrino detectors around the world, astronomers have an early warning system that picks up invisible particles released by such energetic events long before any light reaches us. This global network acts like a cosmic alarm, giving scientists time to prepare and inform the public if needed. So, while this lunar activity may reshape space exploration and defense, here on Earth we can watch safely and marvel at the incredible science unfolding right in our cosmic backyard. We are witnessing something extraordinary. The final breath of a giant, a moment millions of years in the making. It's a powerful reminder of just how vast and mysterious the universe truly is, where cosmic events unfold on scales of time and space that are almost impossible to grasp. This secret moon base and the incredible changes it may bring are part of that grand story, a story that connects us to the stars, to the ancient forces that shaped everything we know. As we look up at the night sky, let's remember that the universe is full of hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. Every twinkle of light, every shadow cast by the moon, carries secrets older than humanity itself. The more we explore, the more we realize how much remains unknown, inviting us to keep asking questions, keep searching, and keep dreaming. So let's keep our eyes on the heavens, not just for what we can see now, but for what might be revealed tomorrow. Because in the endless expanse of space there is always something new, something awe-inspiring, waiting just beyond our reach. And that is the true magic of the cosmos, a never-ending adventure that belongs to all of us. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us bring more incredible space stories straight